I see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling.
Jingle bell,
Hey pod people, you're back with Tea, Peace in a Pod. Before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. And why not go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to our channel, or if you are a pod person and just missed last week's video, we'll link that down below. Today we'll be using socks, and more socks, and some string. Well, and a few other things. Today we'll be making stuffed snowmen.
happy birthday!
And snow women.
Happy birthday!
Or some snow people.
Nice.
And remember, all of the stuff that we got is from the Dollar Tree. And this is what you'll need. Some white tube socks, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, some buttons, some string, and some colorful socks. And obviously, some stuffing. First, we're going to cut off the tops of our white socks. And then we're going to stuff it with stuffing! Next is tie the tops of our white socks and cut the extra fabric. So let's tie things up. I need to make another one. Take our string and tie it to where he has a head and a body. And then we can start accessorizing. Now moving on to the other socks. It's time to accessorize. So how we're going to use these socks? We're going to cut them right under the heel. Then we're going to take that, put it on our snowman's head for a nice comfy hat. Do next is roll it up just a little bit and put it on its head. Now it's time for the scarves. All we gotta do is cut off the top of the sock or what's left of it anyways, and cut that in half. And then tie it around your snowman's neck. We have the string out. We're going to tie a little part of the top of the hat to make it look like it has a pom-pom. We went ahead and glued our hat onto our snowman because it was having a hard time staying on. Now moving on to the face. There are two different ways we could do this. I'm going the Googly eye route. I'm going to use a Sharpie. While I have the Sharpie, I'm going to draw on a smile. Moving on to our last two steps. Cutting the tip of the orange pipe cleaner and gluing it on for the carrot nose. Last but not least, gluing on the colorful buttons. These might be the cutest things we have ever made. Yeah, I'm giving this to my teacher for sure. Oh, I'm giving this to my friend Daisy. I think we should make one for Augie. Yeah, it's easy enough. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. You can't ring our bell anymore, but you can follow us on our many social media accounts at TPs in a Pod. Remember, we'll be posting 2 times a week through the month of December. We will be trying to post every Wednesday and Sunday. So be sure to tune in on Sunday to see what we'll be making in the kitchen!